So hi, I am Philip JD Zon and I am here to tackle about my high-spec computer. So assume that you are in your office, you are tasked by the management to search, purchase and assemble a high-spec computer with its price ranging from 60 to 100k pesos. Create a table of item specification for the high-spec computer that you are planning to purchase and assemble. So first is my motherboard. My motherboard is MSI A520M Pro VH, price ranging from 979. Its specification support 5th Gen AMD Ryzen, max memory 64, DIMM slots, Turbo M.2, memory channel dual, supports DDR4 memory. Next is my CPU, MSI A520M Pro VH, quantity is 1, price is 1990. Each specification has 6 cores, number of GPU cores 7, 12 threads, cache 3 MB, cache 16 MB, and 3.9 GHz base clock. Next would be my hard drive. It is SSD Ramsta 256 GB, price is 4849. Its specification is M.2 to 2.5 SATA and capacity is 256 GB. My memory is Team Elite 8 gig DDR4, price 3,210. Its specification contains tested voltage 1.2 volts, capacity 8 GB, bandwidth PC4 25600, memory crack 3200 MHz. My tower case is MSI MAG Forge MI100A. Price is 3,395. Its specification has expansion slots for micro ATX tower, max GPU, fans 3.1 back. Next is my GPU, Asus NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Price is 8499. Engine clock, GPU boost clock 1392 MHz, memory clock 7008 MHz, base clock 1290 MHz, and memory interface 128 bit. Next is my fan. My fan is AMD Ryzen Wraith Cooler Fan Original Heatsink. Quantity is 4. Price is 2,312. Its specification contains waterproof, power consumption 500 to 1000, 12 volts, moisture detector, 4 pin. Power supply in play GS450 Pro 3467, 24 pin Molex ETX connector, 2 plus 6 pin Molex for video card, 2 times 4 pin Molex connector. Frequency is 50 to 60 Hz and current input 3.5 amperes. My monitor is SANC Envision 27-inch. Price is 7,938. Its specification is 165 Hz, 1 millisecond OD. Resolution is full high definition 1920 times 1080. Display color is 16.7 million. Viewing angle 170H times 170V. Panel type VA Technologio. Next one is my keyboard. It is wired mechanical keyboard with backlight RGB. Price is 1,880. Its specification is interface wired, phone holder, response speed is 0.1 millisecond. Keyboard life is 50 million. My mouse is Redragon M913 2.46. Price is 2,429. Type is it is wireless and rechargeable. My headset is a Razer Kraken headset. Price is 3,819. It has 32 ohms, inline audio controls, retractable noise cancelling microphone, clear and powerful sound. Next one is my camera. My camera is Logitech C920 Pro HD with webcam with microphone. Price is 2,239. Its specification contains Full HD 1080, HD automatic daylight correction, and stereo audio with dual mic. So this is all my um, dream and concept for my PC. So that's all. Thank you.